this is not car related in any way. So if you're here for car stuff, you probably should have been told by the title and thumbnail that this ain't gonna be car related at all. But we got him. Yeah, boy, we got him. So on the 29th of March, I put in an order for the MSCHF Lil Nas X collaboration on the Satan shoes, and I didn't think I'd get it, but ended up securing my spot in line. And now, cut to today, April 2nd, they're here, and I'm stoked. So before I do the inaugural cut, see, I got all my tools ready. The tape is still adheres to the box. If you came for this experience, this is gonna be everybody's experience, because we all gonna open it at the same time, because I haven't even touched it yet. So like I already said, this came from the company, the independent company MSCHF, and this is a collaboration with Lil Nas X, of course. I think everybody's seen it in the news by now. We're making everybody clutch their pearls right now with the addition of the Satan shoes. So this is MSCHF's 43rd drop on their app, and obviously it's called MSCHF because they're here to stir up a little bit of mischief, right? At least that's what I thought. If you check out their app, you can see that all of their 43 drops prior are listed on their app, including this, which sold out in less than a minute. Now, they've done social experiment type drops, and they've done fashion type drops, as this one. They've made the Birkenstock, which is where they took the Birkin bags and they chopped them up and they turned them into shoes and they sold them to the highest bidder. They've also done the Jesus shoes, the Jesus shoes, where they put in the water from the River Jordan, or excuse me, blessed water from the River Jordan, and also put them in, I'm pretty sure it was a pair of Nike Airmaxes. And I didn't hear anybody complaining about the Jesus shoes, I'm just saying, you know. But anyway, so this is it right here, 666 pairs. The last pair, the final pair, number 666, went out via lottery for free on Twitter, on MSCHF's Twitter, so whoever that was, congrats to you, big ups. But limited to 666 pairs, the Satan shoes, Lil Nas X collab. I'm tired of talking about this. I'm ready to open it up, so yeah, let's do it. Full disclaimer before I do, this is not a paid advertisement for MSCHF. I spent my own money on this because I really wanted it. Also, disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any sort of religious beliefs. I consider myself pretty anti-religion, if I do say so myself. So these babies here, they're just a pair of shoes, man. That's all they are. They're rubber and lace. That's it. Just a pair of shoes. Don't get all worked up about it, but what are you gonna do? All right, let's do it. Let's get the box cutter. Let's do this. I'm so hyped. Now, man, let me just say something. This certainly is not the first time that one of y'all musical artists has done something like this. I'm pretty sure the list can go on for days. I mean, you can talk about Lil Wayne, Jay-Z, DMX. We're getting into metal. We can do a little bit of Slipknot. We can do AC/DC, Black Sabbath separately, Ozzy. You can go into a little bit of imagery from Panic at the Disco.
But we're not here to talk about all that, are we?
We're here to talk about these specific Satan shoes. There are these Satan themed things that got everybody clutching their pearls right now. All right, this is it. The seal is broken. Nobody saw my lights flicker or nothing like that. I'm pretty sure that's never gonna happen here, but you know, what do I know? Oh, yes, sir. Okay, let's get these out of here. They are lovingly bubble wrapped as well. Discard this. All right. Oh, I'm loving this box. All right, now, before I go any further, let me get on my sanitary glove. Which y'all thought I was playing? You thought I was playing? Hell no. We're doing this the right way, baby. All right, now we're ready. First off, let's just take a look at the box. I mean, look at that. That's awesome. Let's see if we got anything on the sides. Our sizing on the sides there. Boom, size 11. So if you ever seeing them go up for sale later on, or if you're looking for some, I got the size 11. Got a little inverted cross here on the sides, and then on the back of the box here, Looks like we got the scripture verse that we actually are going to have printed on the side, or excuse me, on the front of the shoe in red ink. So this is just the scripture verse that's going to be printed on here. And that verse is taken from 10:18, which is also highlighted here in red. And he said to them, I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven. And then on the bottom here, you have edition of 666. Now we won't know until I open it up what number edition of 666 this one is. Of course, it's not going to be the right one, 666, but I mean, hey, it's one of those editions, so I'm okay with it. I think we can do the deed. This box is magnet sealed, so it's just got a little flap here that opens and closes and stays closed. But without further ado, now the seal is officially broken. And as I flip up my my little flap here, the verse in here once more, I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven, Luke 10:18. Oh, yeah, this is great. The box is almost as good as the shoes, man. MSCHF down the side here, Lil Nas X. That's the collaboration. You got an old painting or an old print of a painting here, which looks like a really friendly demon hugging, I don't know if there's Jesus. It's a really friendly guy. I think everybody's kind of like misconstruing it. I think he was just trying to give him a hug. He's trying to be really nice to him, but you know. Inside our box, we got a little postcard with the man himself, Lil Nas X, sporting his own pair there. So that's pretty awesome. And on the back, just a little bit more of printed information about the shoe. Put that off to the side. I don't think I have any more surprises in here other than the shoes themselves. So let me get my red wrapping paper out of the way. Yo, these are so fire. Oh man, look at these. Oh man, these are so fire, dude. I'm so happy about this. All right. Yo, these are so nice, man. Check that out. Here's the thing, I'm not even a big Nike guy, but these are awesome. Shoo. All right. So let me take these in for a minute here, and then we'll go over all the little nuances of these Airmax 97 Satan shoes. Check it out. Right up on the top there, we got our pentagram, and it says, so the pentagram, bronze pentagram on it, it says, I saw Satan, and then just like on the website when you went to go order these, it says MSCHF cross Lil Nas X, of course, because that is the collaboration there. So there you go. I saw Satan, MSCHF, Lil Nas X. If we can get, there you go. There's the Luke 10:18 verse. I've said it enough. You can see in there. There's all of our liquid, man. That is, this is ridiculous. And on this side, looks like I was pretty early to get my pair, as I am pair 19 of 666. I was kind of hoping to be like 1 through 10 because I did put the order in like pretty early. As soon as the countdown stopped for this drop, I put in my order for it, but what are you gonna do? Some people were just faster than me. On the back of this one, you've got Lil Nas X on there, and I'm pretty sure that on the back of the other one, you're gonna see that it's gonna say MSCHF on there, on the inside. Yo, man, MSCHF went all out for this, man. So there you go. Check out the tongue. So right there on your tongue, you got your inverted cross, but that's not all. Go into the shoe. Again, MSCHF Lil Nas X branding on the inside of it. Man, they went crazy for this, man. This is awesome, bro. Let's check out our other shoe here. So again, pretty much all the same stuff there. As I guessed, the only difference on this one is that you have MSCHF on this side. Same thing, you've got your Luke 10:18, You got my pair number 19 of 666 on the other side. And of course, just one more time, get that fluid flowing. Yes, sir. I'm really digging this little spot here on these Air Maxes. This little felt spot here. I think it really kind of like breaks up all the black and red. If you know me, black and red is kind of like one of my favorite combinations. So all the more reason to get one of these things. As I was opening them up, the box had some pretty dope artwork on the inside of it. So we're gonna take these out. I'm gonna so gently put them to the side right here. And yeah, the box is almost more art than the shoes themselves, man. But golly, I'll give y'all a look inside this. Come on, take a look inside this. Looks like we've got our demon, or whatever you want to say. We've got our demon who is encompassing pretty much all of it. Looks like the lost souls getting eaten up in hell with the fiery goodness all around them. All right, well, I think I pretty much showed y'all every facet of these shoes. So they're gonna go right back in the box, and they're gonna be with me, I think, for a while. I am in love with these shoes. I'm in love with them. So for everybody who wanted to see them, hope you appreciated it. I went all out to try and give y'all the experience here, even so much as to go out and get some more lighting to make it proper for everybody. So hope everybody enjoyed all of their views of these shoes. I am so happy that I was able to get a pair of these. So of course, shouts out to MSCHF, shouts out to Lil Nas X. Sorry, Nike, even though y'all had nothing to do with it, so whatever. Sorry. But yeah, that about covers it. So yeah, we'll be back to car stuff obviously in the next video. But you know, man, hey, I think the way that these are blowing up right now, speaks its own volumes, really. So for me, hey man, they're just some shoes. Don't take it too seriously. Enjoy them if you got them. And if you're a collector down the road, hey, might see some size 11 Lil Nas X Satan shoes. And when this video comes out, hopefully I can get it to come out on Easter Sunday, because that would be just that would be great. So if you're watching this on Easter Sunday, happy Easter. Enjoy the Satan shoes. I'll see you on the next video.